Hey there! Welcome back to A Perfect Health Companion. Today, we're going to talk about something really important that might surprise you. Did you know that some common foods we eat every day could actually be harming our kidneys without us even realizing it? Stay tuned to find out which foods you should avoid for better kidney health. In this video, we're going to delve into the topic of 6 common foods that destroy your kidneys, must avoid. It's crucial to understand the impact of our diet on kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood, so it's essential to take care of them by making informed food choices. Let's jump right into it. The 6 common foods that can be detrimental to kidney health are processed foods, sugary drinks, red meat, dairy products, caffeine, sodium-rich foods. These foods, when consumed in excess, can put a strain on our kidneys and lead to various health issues over time. Now let's break down each of these foods and understand how they affect our kidneys. Processed foods. Processed foods are loaded with additives and preservatives that can cause inflammation in the kidneys. These additives can lead to increased kidney workload and potential damage over time. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, like soda and sweetened juices, can increase the risk of kidney stones due to their high sugar content. They can also lead to obesity and diabetes, which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Red meat. Red meat is high in protein and can put pressure on the kidneys to filter out excess waste. Overconsumption can lead to increased uric acid levels, which can contribute to kidney stones. Dairy products. Dairy products, although nutritious, can be high in phosphorus, which can be hard for the kidneys to process, especially in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Excess phosphorus can lead to bone and heart issues as well. Caffeine. Caffeine can raise blood pressure and potentially harm kidney function. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Sodium-rich foods. Sodium-rich foods can lead to water retention and strain the kidney's ability to remove waste efficiently. This can result in high blood pressure and further kidney damage. The key takeaway here is that making small changes in our diet can make a significant difference in our kidney health. By being mindful of our food choices and opting for kidney-friendly alternatives, we can support our kidneys' function and overall well-being. It's never too late to start making positive changes for our health. To wrap things up, it's crucial to be aware of the foods that can harm our kidneys and make conscious decisions to protect our kidney health. Remember, a balanced and kidney-friendly diet is key to maintaining optimal kidney function. Let's prioritize our health by being mindful of what we eat and taking care of our kidneys. I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on foods that are good or bad for kidney health in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to A Perfect Health Companion for more health tips and updates. Take care of your kidneys, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.